Future perfect tense in travel conversations, planning adventures. One of the key aspects of travel is planning ahead and making sure all the details are in place for a smooth and enjoyable trip. In conversations about upcoming travel plans, it is common to use the future perfect tense to talk about actions that will be completed by a certain point in the future. By using this tense, we can communicate our expectations and intentions for the trip. Let's explore some examples of how the future perfect tense can be used in travel conversations. 1. By the time we arrive in Paris next week, we will have booked a hotel near the Eiffel Tower. In this sentence, the future perfect tense, will have booked, is used to express that the action of booking a hotel will be completed before the arrival in Paris. 2. When we reach the top of the mountain, we will have hiked for 3 hours. Here, the future perfect tense, will have hiked, indicates that the action of hiking will be completed by the time we reach the top of the mountain. 3. By the end of our trip to Italy, we will have visited Rome, Florence, and Venice. This sentence uses the future perfect tense, will have visited, to show that the actions of visiting these cities will be completed by the end of the trip to Italy. 4. When we board the train to Brussels, we will have packed all of our belongings. In this example, the future perfect tense, will have packed, is used to convey that the action of packing will be completed before boarding the train to Brussels. 5. Before we head to the airport, we will have exchanged our currency for euros. Here, the future perfect tense, will have exchanged, is used to indicate that the action of exchanging currency will be completed before heading to the airport. By using the future perfect tense in travel conversations, we can effectively communicate our intentions and ensure that all necessary preparations are made for a successful trip, whether it's booking accommodations, planning activities, or packing our bags. The future perfect tense helps us express our expectations for the upcoming adventure. So, the next time you discuss your travel plans, remember to incorporate the future perfect tense to convey your thoughts and actions in a clear and concise manner.